Friends, I am Shurav. So, welcome to my channel, Technical Skill Linux. In this tutorial, I am going to show only six steps installation Tomcat server and live domain point. Okay. So basically, Tomcat is that's run 8080 port, but in this video, I am show you that how to 8080 port point your domain. Right. So let's start. So first of all, you can see you need to server. So I'm just go here. Now is create a VM on Google Cloud. So now I'm gonna start name the Tomcat, right? Tomcat 8. So instance is same, 1 core 4 GB. So I'm changing the OS is Ubuntu 18.04. So storage 20 GB is enough for that. 20 GB now selected, and here just allow HTTP and HTTP host is now created. So creating instance for Tomcat 8. So Tomcat is basically it open source. That is more main. If you want to run Java code, so that time need to Tomcat server, right? So you can see Tomcat's my VM is ready. So now I am just console in my server. So here you can see that I have got the connection with server. So now sudo minus, so enter the root. Now yes, so now I'm check the version my server. So the server thing you can see is Ubuntu 18.04. So now first step is just uh, first step I have a document. So very easy. So first step is that need to create a Tomcat folder. So you can see ls. So Tomcat folder. Uh, so first step is done. Tomcat folder. So here now I am install Java because that is second stop because Tomcat is need to Java. So installing Java. Yes, that is second step. Java installing. Right. So now second step is now also done. Now I'm going to third step. So third step is just for install Apache Tomcat download. Okay. So first of all I go to here, then I install the Tomcat 518. Okay, this is I'm just copy from here. Now Tomcat. So down Tomcat's install download done. Now I'm just to just unzip. So install need to unzip installed. Now unzip. You can say that Tomcat download. Tomcat is just for unzip. Now I'm just go to bin here. So on third step is also done. Now I'm to go next step. Next step is just do one thing. Just do change the permission. Just change the permission. Okay, so yes, now just ls, so you can see that change the permission. So right, so every permission also change. So okay, now it's just last step, start. That is last step to start. Yes, that's all start. So basically first step is need a Ubuntu server, and just need a and also root permission, root login permit. So then you create a folder first, second download Tomcat, third unzip, third is just go the unzip folder your directory and just run the just change the permission, and last step is just start the Tomcat dot slash startup dot sh, that is a run for Tomcat server, right? That's all. So now I'm just check my server is uh, on is run or not. So here, you know, so now it's not run because Tomcat is run default port, Tomcat default port 8080. So now I hit enter. So still now it not run because it's need to firewall setup because Google Cloud is now I'm just go to firewall setting because it's need to allow 8080 in my Google Cloud. So I can say go firewall, just create a firewall rules, name Tomcat, on networks default. Okay, process allow that is all net instance on the network. So IP range, now enter the source IP address 0, allow the specific port, the port number is TCP port, so 8080. So now just create it, so that is Google Cloud Firewall for my Tomcat Ubuntu server. So can see that Tomcat is my firewalls is 804804 allow. So now I'm go here and just run. It's run, right? So now it's run for that Tomcat. But if you I want to domain and if point in any my server to any domain, so that time we need to forward the 80 port, right? So I need to 80. So that's why I just change the 8080 port. So again sign go here and just config, go to config. So here you can see one file server export xml. I'm just edit server xml. Here I'm just search 8080. So here you can see connect 8080 port. I am just change the port. The port is only 8080. Okay. So now set. Okay. So it's done. Now I just do one thing. Just shut down the uh, Apache server, and after again. Mhm. Mm, so now shut down my Java, uh, my Tomcat server. Now I'm just checking it's running or not. So I'm just checking. So can see it's unreachable, so that means it shut down Tomcat service. Now I am once again and start of Tomcat server. You can see that Tomcat is started. Now once again uh, I am run this, but first time because I that is not run because I also change the verb port, so that's why and just enter 80. It's not run. You can see that is no need any port because HTTP by default port is 80, so that's why just hit IP. You can see your Tomcat default page. Okay, so now I'm just go to point a domain in my server. Just go here and just log in phenom.com. Now I'm login. So here I'm go my service for I've login phenom.com and just go to service. So in free domain. So here I'm just type take the domain name tomcat.tk. Okay, so I just remove the Linux. So my domain name technical scales tomcat.tk. I'm just check that is available or not. So you can see Tomcat scale technical scale Tomcat history. So now select it and just go check out. Here I'm just go for 1 month free. So I'm just continue complete the order and read and to next step and complete the order for technical skills Tomcat. So you can see technical skills Tomcat is activated. So now I go to manage domain. Here I'm just manage tools, manage for DNS. So now I'm just add a record. So record here I'm just go name my domain. So a record. So PTL60 name my copy my server IP. So now here I'm just copy external IP from here. So now I'm just put there my external IP and a record. So now save. So you can see that record act successfully. So over here, okay. So now I'm just check it's working or not. Let's me copy my domain name here. Okay, I'm just put. So now hit enter. Type the domain name and the so you can see that's its domain name. My domain name technical skill tomcat is running. So and also domain point that is my tomcat server. So in this video, so that's all for that. So any help to you in this my video, so please like and subscribe my channel. So if you get new video, so please send subscribe my video. Okay, thank you for watching.